Welcome back, another video. We're going to change this air filter. I'm just using my key to pop out the tab. So I'm going to take this dirty one out, and we're going to go ahead and clean this off with a bristle. We'll clean out the vents real good, get all that dust off there, and then we'll go ahead and vacuum it up. Here's our measurements, 16 by 30 by 1. So you'll take that to the store, get you some more. During the hot months, we like to change them every 3 weeks. So I get the 3 value pack, the 3-pack for 13 bucks, $13.97. Now you can buy the more expensive ones if you want. Here's one for 18 bucks. And if you buy 4 or more, they're $16 a piece. I just don't like spending 18 bucks if I'm going to change it every 3 weeks. So I just buy the cheaper ones during the summer months. So the air flows inward, so the arrow needs to point inward towards the unit when you install it. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe for us, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.